For years, Felipe Drugovich has been knocking on Formula One's door, dreaming of a full-time race seat. But here's the twist. He's finally found a home. Just not where everyone expected. Instead of the roar of F1 engines, Drugovich will be embracing the electric hum of Formula E, signing a deal with Andretti for the 2025-26 season. This marks a significant shift for the 25-year-old Brazilian, who's been patiently waiting for his F1 break since clinching the Formula 2 title in 2022. Despite being Aston Martin's reserve driver, opportunities to race were fleeting, with regular drivers Fernando Alonso and Lance Stroll consistently proving their fitness. Drugovich's journey to Formula E has been anything but straightforward. And this is the part most people miss. His sporadic racing appearances since F2, including the European Le Mans Series and the prestigious Le Mans 24 Hours with Action Express Cadillac, kept his skills sharp, but left him yearning for a consistent racing calendar. His Formula E debut in Berlin earlier this year, substituting for Nick de Vries at Mahindra, showcased his adaptability, earning him 2 points and reportedly impressing the team. The deal with Andretti, rumoured to be officially announced next week, comes after weeks of intensified negotiation. Interestingly, Drugovich didn't participate in Andretti's recent test with the Porsche Gen4 Evo car in France, as negotiations were still ongoing. His first outing as an Andretti driver is likely to be at the pre-season Valencia test in October, ahead of the season opener in his home country Brazil in December. Here's the bold question for you. Is Drugovich's move to Formula E a step backward or a strategic leap forward in his racing career? Does this signal a growing trend of F1 hopefuls turning to electric racing? Share your thoughts below. Let's spark a debate.